up, man?
What's up, man? How are you? Come on in.
This is a cool door.
Oh, thanks. So, yeah, Rustic Hardware. They're out of Utah. They make, like, custom barn doors, like metal, wood, anything you can think of. If you can think of it, they can build it. It's pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah, come on in.
All right, so before we get started, where are we?
This is my home office. I'm on Zoom a ton right now, and I'm having a lot of people that usually see this as my background, and people have asked me probably 10 times, show me your office and give it a little tour, so I thought it'd be cool to take it and spin around.
Nice. Well, let's start over here in the corner then.
Yeah.
What's that right there?
So Magic Kingdom map from the 70s. That would have been like a tour map that they gave out at the time or that you could have bought. And so I found it at an auction house and just got it framed up recently.
Nice. What's a new ride you're excited about at Disney?
I think probably Tron is my favorite one. It's going to be at Magic Kingdom. That's going to be pretty sweet. There's a lot of new rides coming, but that's probably my favorite one I'm excited about.
Nice. Is that a gun right there?
Yeah, so this is from the original Pirates of the Caribbean movie. It's a stunt gun. It's made out of just plastic or resin, but I found this at a movie auction as well. And so one of my biggest franchises and that sort of thing I like is Pirates and Star Wars. So
where do you get this stuff at?
Yeah, that's a good question. So a lot of times after a movie wraps, they'll do a complete auction of everything that was used in the props. Sometimes they'll reuse props at other movies, but usually they're online auctions or local collectors.
Nice. How long have you been collecting stuff?
Like 5 years now, yeah.
And how long have you been in real estate?
In real estate since 2008, yeah, so quite some time now.
How many homes have you sold?
1,500 by the end of this year.
Nice. All right. What's your favorite movie franchise?
Favorite movie franchise would probably be Star Wars. Like here's a good one from Star Wars. So these are actually movie sales, sort of like from the storyboards when they're mocking up how a shot is going to look in the movie, the production boards. So I've got 3 originals from the three original movies up there.
Oh, that's
framed
super
up.
cool.
Yeah.
And then what's this blueprint right here?
This is actually from the original Pirates of the Caribbean ride. I was on this collectors group, and one of the former Imagineers said, hey, I've got the blueprints from the original ride at Walt Disney World if you're looking at maybe buying one. So I was like, yeah, for sure. That's a cool one. This actually started the whole wall. I had this framed up and started collecting stuff that hangs on the wall after that.
Nice. So you got a lot of books. If you had to pick one of your favorites, which would it be?
I'd probably say The One Thing. This is fantastic for real estate agents, business owners, kind of gets you an idea of how to prioritize things in your life. And then I would probably say anything by Gary Vaynerchuk. We've got Crush It and all of those kind of things.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, if you had to pick a favorite movie prop, which one would it be?
It'd probably be this Iron Man one. So this is actually what started my movie prop collecting. This is from the original Iron Man movie when he's coming out of the cave when he first builds the Iron Man, and all of a sudden he starts seeing Stark Industry boxes everywhere outside. This is actually from that movie.
Very cool. Was that the hardest to find?
No, the hardest to find in terms of stuff I've collected were like these Harry Potter posters. They came out for like a very quick minute and they sold out, and finding like some actually like the completed collection that are all numbered the same was really, really hard. There's a lot of collectors that wanted them, so it took me like 18 months to source all 7 of them.
Wow. All right. What's a prop that you wish you had?
Prop that I wish I had was probably something from James Bond. There's been different auctions over the years, but prop collecting has gotten really popular, and so a lot of the stuff that I wanted, prop guns and things like that, just got to be way too expensive. So something from a Bond movie would probably be it.
Nice. And I see a bunch of helmets. Where do you get these from?
Oh yeah, so these helmets, all different companies that get licensed from Star Wars and Disney and that sort of thing. But I've got 7 or 8 of them now, and so every time a new movie comes out, they'll usually do them. But Anovos is one of them. EFX is another.
Nice. And I see a Detroit Tigers sign back there.
Yeah, I'm from Detroit originally, and so a big Detroit Tigers fan, regardless if they're good or bad. Right now, they're pretty bad.
Are you worthy?
I think I am, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I am.
Nice. What's with the Magic poster?
The Magic poster, if you're a fan of How I Met Your Mother, Barney actually had that exact poster hanging in his apartment. It's 125 years old, this one is. I tracked it down at a magic shop in Las Vegas, and so I matched up kind of the same one he had, and big fan of the show.
Nice. And I'm seeing some photos with some interesting people. Which is the coolest experience you've had?
Definitely meeting Gary Vaynerchuk. I flew out to New York. I bartered with him on Twitter. Basically, I had to buy a certain amount of his books that I was giving away to my clients and that sort of thing. And he flew me out, or he had me fly out to New York and meet him for a bit.
Nice.
Yeah.
And then I see a hoverboard over here. I got to ask about that.
Yeah, hoverboards. I'm a big Back to the Future fan, so hoverboard, and then also the almanac from the second movie, and basically Michael J. Fox had that signed. So
nice.
Yeah, man.
You play guitar then?
Yeah, I play guitar, I play piano, a couple things. So yeah, it's cool, man. So is that pretty good?
Yeah, it's
All right,
awesome.
Cool. I'm good. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah. Anything else before I head out?
I guess if you're looking to buy or sell a house anywhere in Orlando, I'd love to be a real estate agent. So make sure you reach out.
Cool. Thanks, Ken.
Thanks, man.